Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about water-soluble fertilizers used in the cultivation and maintenance of roses. Miracle-Gro is one of the most well-known and popular brands of gardening fertilizers in the US market, and it has a dominant position in both home gardening and commercial planting. It is operated by the Scots Miracle-Gro Company. Since its establishment in 1951, it has been a leader in the U.S. household fertilizer market and has a very high brand awareness. Its products are widely distributed in major retail channels such as Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, and Amazon. Among the many types of fertilizers, Miracle-Gro water-soluble plant food has become one of the most popular fertilizers in the U.S. market for its high efficiency, ease of use, and quick results. In addition, Miracle-Gro's water-soluble fertilizer is relatively affordable and has obvious effects after application, so it is also the first choice for my garden. Special note: this video is not to advertise Miracle-Gro, but purely to share with you the fertilizers that I use to maintain roses. Among the many water-soluble fertilizers of Miracle-Gro, there are three types that can be used directly on roses: water-soluble all-purpose plant food, water-soluble rose plant food, and water-soluble bloom booster flower food. I have only used the first two, so in this video we will only discuss all-purpose plant food and rose plant food. If I have the opportunity to use bloom booster flower food in the future, I will make another video to compare the effects of the three fertilizers. This time, we will compare all-purpose plant food and rose plant food, and explore the scientific fertilization strategy of water-soluble fertilizers to make your roses grow better. First, let's look at the main ingredients of these two fertilizers. All-purpose plant food has an NPK ratio of 24:8:16, with the highest content of nitrogen, which can promote plant growth and lush leaves. It also contains a variety of important micronutrients to help plants stay healthy. Rose plant food has an NPK ratio of 18:24:16, and also contains a variety of key micronutrients. Compared to all-purpose plant food, rose plant food has the highest phosphorus content, which can promote flower bud differentiation and increase the number and quality of flowers. Therefore, if your goal is to make the plant grow healthily as a whole, all-purpose plant food is a good choice, and if you want more and brighter roses, rose plant food is a better choice. In addition to choosing the right fertilizer, the correct timing of fertilization is equally important. The growth of roses is divided into different stages, and the nutrients required for each stage are also different. If fertilization is not applied at the right time, it may lead to leggy growth, fewer flowers, or even no flowering. The correct order of fertilization should be: use all-purpose plant food in early spring to provide sufficient nitrogen during the budding and new leaf growth stages of the plants to help the plants grow stronger. When the rose enters the stage of nurturing flower buds, which is from late April to early June, it is necessary to switch to rose plant food, which promotes flower bud differentiation with a high phosphorus content, making the flowers more numerous and more colorful. After the flowering period, in order to ensure the formation of the next wave of flower buds, you can continue to use rose plant food. In autumn, the appropriate use of all-purpose plant food can help plants store nutrients and improve their ability to resist cold. In terms of fertilization methods, both all-purpose plant food and rose plant food can use the dissolution method, that is, the fertilizer is diluted with water according to the recommended water fertilizer ratio and then directly irrigated to the roots of the plants. The fertilization frequency can be once every 7 to 14 days. You can also use the slow release method, that is, dry spread the water-soluble fertilizer granules around the roots of the plants, and slowly release the nutrients while watering. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video can help flower lovers who are worried about which water-soluble fertilizer to use for roses to find some clear ideas. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, comment and forward it. See you next time.